kita tengah pergi dekat Sentul ni, nak cari tempat untuk tukar kita punya kusyen baru untuk bawa juga. Ya, kita pusing-pusing ya. Alright, aku lagi nanti jumpa korang dengan datang tempat tu ya. Ni cantiknya bangunan ni. Saya jarang lalu kat sini kan. Okay, cantik juga tempatnya. So, okay, see you.
So if we do the chair cushions first, you said 140 and you said that's fabric and foam, but then you say 180, so now I'm confused. Okay, so it's 140 including new foam. Okay, so you recommend the new foam as well? Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we can settle for the cushion. So we just need to select the fabric for that. Yeah, for the chair cushion. Yeah, and then for the settee, I mean, there's obviously there's a lot more work in the seat than the backrest. The backrests are very simple, yeah. And you said 450 for the seat, and how much for the backrest? I mean, that should be. Yes. Yeah. Now I can hear you again. Yeah. So it's 450 and backrest. Okay. And I got. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 total of that. So 6 times 450. Yeah. Is that? Okay, and that's also new foam, yeah, and that needs to be the very hard. But not. Yeah, certainly for the seats. Yeah. Okay, and what put up so.